Abay nagsalita na nga rin dito si Mark Williams patungkol na nga dito sa kanyang pagbabalik sa laro. Ano-ano nga ba ang mga sinabi niya dito? Pero bago muna yan ay pag-usapan muna natin dito mga sinabi ni Coach JJ Redick. Tinanong dito kay Coach Redick kung anong masasabi niya patungkol na nga dito sa pagkatalo nila sa team ng Charlotte Hornets. Sabi daw dito ni Coach Redick ay pretty poor offense daw at hindi niya dito inaasahan ang kanilang dito naging performance. At sa tingin niya dito ay hindi sila nakipag-compete ng maayos. At ang team ng dito ng Los Angeles Lakers, they played extremely hard, sabi nga dito ni Coach Redick.
Pretty poor offense, and some of that's to be expected. The reason I'm not going to read too much into that is because I think our guys competed tonight and they played extremely hard.
At ang akala dito ni Coach Redick, ang kanila ditong naging effort sa kanilang ditong competitive experience sa kanilang ditong laro ay magiging sapat na para manalo sila. Pero yung pala ay poor offensively 90% game.
I thought, our effort and competitive spirit was good enough to win. Just we were really poor offensively for 90% of the game.
At tinanong rin dito kay Coach Redick sa kanilang 6.3 seconds left nung napatimeout siya sa score nila ng 97-100 at 3 points lead ang lamang dito ng Charlotte Hornets. At ang kinandahan naman dito sa Lakers ay meron siya ditong 2 elite scorer pero napadesisyon nga siya dito para ibigay dito kay LeBron James. At ang explain naman niya kung bakit niya binigay dito kay LeBron James at hindi kay Luka Doncic para na nga dito sa kanilang final shot. At ang sabi naman niya dito ay ramdam daw niya dito si LBJ. Pagdating na nga dito sa fourth quarter ay maganda nga daw dito ang kanyang rhythm at komportable naman daw dito si Redick para ibigay kay LeBron. Pakinggan nyo dito ang kanyang mga sinabi.
There's some interchangeable parts in some of the late game stuff, and you as a coach, you're excited that you have two guys that can be the passer and be the guy who gets the pass. But felt like LeBron, particularly in the fourth, just found a nice rhythm and felt really comfortable with that. And we got 2 good looks.
At ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin dito si Mark Williams. Kung ano daw masasabi niya patungkol na nga dito sa panalo nila laban sa Los Angeles Lakers. Sabi naman niya dito ay masayang-masaya naman siya dito sa kanilang pagkapanalo. And we made a lot of big plays defensively. At masaya naman siya nakabalik dito sa paglalaro. Lalo na nga dito sa kalaban nila sa Los Angeles Lakers.
Yeah, I mean, it felt great to get the win. We made a lot of big plays defensively. It was crazy. I'm just happy to be back playing.
At tinanong naman dito kay Mark Williams patungkol na nga dito sa kanseladong trade nila ni Dalton Knecht. At ang sinabi naman niya dito ay ang akala niya mapupunta na nga siya dito sa LA. Pero pinili daw nila dito ang kanyang hindi magandang condition. At ngayon ay nagbalik na nga siya para ipakita daw dito sa kanila na mali dito ang kanilang inaakala dito na nga sa team ng Los Angeles Lakers. At masaya naman siya ng kanyang dito napatunayan. Pakinggan nyo dito mga pre ang kanyang mga sinabi.
Obviously it's pretty ironic. I got to play the Lakers first game. Like I said, I'm glad we got the win. Did a lot of the right things, and it's tough. Like, you go from getting traded, thinking you're going to LA, and then they choose to fail me on my physical. So you got to shift your mind back. I'm not going to be here. I'm back with the guys in Charlotte, and then obviously tonight I get to play. I get to show them. So I was happy I was able to do that. I didn't really want to hear anything, to be honest with you. Like I said, I didn't think there was any world I could fail my physical reasoning, but I don't think it was solely because of my physical. Because like I said, I've been playing all year.